In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore your damaged paint and make it look like this in a few simple steps. What's up guys, you just entered the Carfix garage, and from now on you will learn how to deal with most specialized job at home with the simplest tools. The hood of this car has been repainted and we have to sand it. For other parts we don't have to. Let's begin with 1500 grit sandpaper. By the way, this is a sanding pad that I recommend for beginners, but it's not necessary, you can also sand by hand. If you have any question with sanding, watch this video or drop it in the comments. Keep wet sanding the panel until it gets completely dull like this. Wipe the surface every so often to see which areas are still not fully matte, that way you will know exactly where to sand more. Now hit it with 2500 to make it even smoother. So pick up your rotary machine, your wool pad, and a hard cut polish like Sonox Profline 6.2, which I'm using in this video. Drop 4 to 5 dots of polish on wool pad and start on lowest speed. Once the polish nicely spread on a 20-inch section, you can bump the speed up to 3 or 4 and complete your polishing process. In most cases, you have to test different polishes to see which one gives the best result for your paint. For example, the Sonox didn't work perfectly on this paint, that's why we're using a different heavy cut polish like Kokemi H9. After you're done polishing, you notice all the scratches gone, but the surface is a bit cloudy. For making it super glossy, you have to use a shine polish like Kokemi F10. See the result? That's nice, but we're just getting started. At this stage, we have to degrease the surface using a silicone remover and of course a clean microfiber towel. Now we can go ahead and put on the ceramic coat. For the main ceramic layer, we're using Nodule ZR53. Use the special ceramic pad and make sure it covers the whole car, even the plastic parts. And after about a minute, you can wipe it off with a microfiber towel. By the way, full ceramic coating process explained in this video up here. After applying the main ceramic layer, we can go ahead and apply the top coat. In this case, nozzle F2 is the best choice because it works great with nozzle ZR53. By the way, most ceramic coatings don't actually need a top coat, but some like this nozzle ZR53 we used give you much better results when you apply one. You have to spray it on the main coat, then spread it with a microfiber towel. After about 30 seconds you can wipe it off with another microfiber towel. This is how you can restore your damaged paint. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.